Hello everybody and welcome again to Swift, the reference item. In here today, the item that we're going to be discussing is going to be the comparison operators. So let's just jump right into it like we always do. If we open the application, we can see the comparison operation here. I actually found this kind of like little figure right here, and I kind of like it. Like it's kind of like comparing one to the next. So I just thought that it felt right within what is a comparison operator. So again, what is a comparison operator? It's just you're just evaluating two different types of entities of numbers. You can say that one value is equal to the other value, that one value is non-equal to the next value. You use this operator. That one value is greater than the other value, so use this operator. Then one value is less than, and then you use this operator. Then the greater or equal to, you use this, and then the less or equal, you use this operation. So to get a grip on how we should implement this, let's just jump into the code demonstration that I have available for you guys, and let's just discuss it. And again, you could actually really complicate these, and you can just have like fancy little like constants and values and compare those. But I'd rather use just like simplistic numbers, and that way you could just get a handle on like what the operator is in their essence, pretty much. Okay, so let's just start with equal to. So just going very basic, 1 equals 1, okay? And as you can see, numerically, since 1 is equal to 1, that is true. You cannot compare those as 1 equals 1 like this. Because, as I showed you before, this is the assignment operator, and it's not necessarily a competitor. And that's actually a great point here, that you use just 1 equal to sign symbol to do an assignment, but then you use 2 to actually establish a comparison between one number and the next. So if you for some reason say 1 is equals 2, then you will have a false case. And again, these comparisons only provides you either like a true or false. There's a boolean. There's not a different outcome that you can get out of this. Okay, so let's just also compare the non-equal to. Non-equal to case. You have 1 that is not equal to 2, and that should be, boom, true, exactly, because 1 is not equal to 2. Now if you say 1 non-equal to 1, then that's going to be false, because 1 is equal to 1. Okay, the greater than operation is 2 greater than 1. True, absolutely. But then is 2 greater than 2. That's false, because 2 is equal to 2. Now, all these values are very simplistic, as we know, but the cool thing also to be doing this exercise is that you're able to see how Swift react in for other languages. This operation definitely is something a little bit more complicated. You even have to have like some sort of like semicolons on the end of the statement. But in this case, as you can see, Swift is just very simplistic in this matter. Okay, let's just go to the next one. Less than. So you can see 2 is less than 5. That is a true case. And then 5 is less than 5. And again, since they're equal, boom, that's false. The next case, and we're down into the final 2, is greater or equal than. And this is the tricky part. Like when you have 2 is greater or equal than 2, then that also includes the number that you're comparing to. If for some reason you only have greater than, then that'll become a false statement. But since you have a greater or equal to, that's true. And the other comparison evaluations are pretty much similar to here. Even though that you can put like a similar greater or equal than 1, the statement up here remains true, and so forth. And in here you can convert it to true if you just have an equal sign. Okay. So, and the last one is less or equal than. In this case, if you have, for example, the 1 is less or equal than 1, similar to what happened up here, it becomes a true statement. Like in here is a false statement in less than, but if you have a less or equal than, then you transform this into a true case, because it's also taking into account that is equal to the other value that it's comparing to. Okay. And if you change, and the other operations are also true. If you have like true is less or equal than 5, then it becomes a true statement as well. So there you have it. You have the equal to, the non-equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal than, and less or equal than. That's what it composed the comparison operators. Hopefully you got a good idea of this. If you have any questions, feel free to let me a comment in the comment section. If you haven't downloaded the application, please do so. It's free. It's currently available on the App Store. It's called S Reference. And thanks for liking this post. I appreciate it and talk to you soon.